What's up? Welcome to the shop. In case you hadn't noticed, there's quite an echo in here. And I'll try to talk quietly. I said I'll try to talk quietly so that it doesn't echo so much. But in this video, blah. Obviously, I'm not finished with my shop cabinets yet. I had to pull off of that and start a Dr. Seuss bookshelf. That's a client that is going to get that this week. We're going to build shop cabinets because I've got to get some storage in here. I got to work in here for a few weeks without insulation. In case you couldn't look at the, can you see the sweat? Can you see the sweat? It's hot. It's so hot. It's so, oh my God. Oh, it's so hot in here. But insulation is not a priority right now. So, we'll get storage going. We'll eventually do insulation, but right now, I gotta get these. I'm gonna show you how I did these cabinets. Next video, I'm gonna show you how I'm doing that Dr. Seuss bookshelf. I think that's it. Let's go, let's get it.
We gotta take a night train to the other city to rock out the fucking ancient walls. We gotta take a night train to the other city to make us dream and strip down in reverse. We gotta take oh, dirty night train, yeah. We gotta take oh, dirty night train. Gotta take a night train to the other city to rock out the fucking ancient walls. We gotta take a night train to the other city to make us dream and strip down in reverse. We gotta take oh, dirty night train, yeah. We gotta take oh, dirty night train.
So there's lots of videos that show you how to build cabinets, how to build drawers. I'm not going to do an instructional. I'm more of like the comic relief guy. I'm not much of an instructional guy because I don't know what I'm doing. But anyway, my neighbor gave me this plywood. He owns a framing company, and before plywood tripled in cost, he gave me 3 sheets of plywood that was just extra at his house, and I took it. So the top, let me adjust you a little bit better. Is that better? No. Okay, so this is not cabinet grade plywood, FYI. It's just wall sheathing. The top, I laminated 2 sheets together. We went 8 foot down. I have 6 drawers over there, the empty space where I'm actually going to put my Festool dust extractor once I get it. It's kind of pricey. I like these drawers here. Got my router, my other router, jigsaw, some miscellaneous. Got the Festool domino joiner, which I love it. I used it on a project that I didn't record. I made a bed. I forgot to record it. But anyway, got my nail guns hanging in here. This is all just temporary. Until I get walls up, I can't really put this stuff on the walls. So this is what we got. This drawer, I kind of like having this sandpaper in here and my sanders, everything in one spot. Move, man. All my stuff is in the way. I got some rags in here. Rags. Kreg junk. Kreg jig is good for cabinets, I will say that. I got a little false bottom right here with some tools that I don't use often. It's really just putting stuff where I can right now, and I'm going to do a lot of organization later. I got 2 big projects that we're doing. Dr. Seuss bookshelf, and next we're doing a wine cellar. That's going to be tedious, but it'll be fun. A wine cellar and a vent hood for the same guy. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm not much of an instructional guy, like I said. I'm just in my shop goofing off and figuring it all out as I go. If you want some instructionals, they got some pretty good other YouTube channels to go watch. I'm just showing you what I'm doing in my shop. Like and subscribe. We hadn't hit 1,000 subscribers yet, but I hadn't been very faithful in putting out videos. We have been just slammed. I mean, we have been slammed over here, so I haven't had much time to make a video. So now we're kind of getting back to, you know, typical pace, and I'll start putting out videos. Closing remarks. I will end with saying this. What do I have in common with a bicycle? I'm too tired.